Hi everyone. Today we will learn how to make journal entry for cash sale and credit sale with sales tax. Sometimes we sell product or services to our customer. We get some cash and some amount as a credit. So let's see our example together. ABC company complete a sale for 100,000 with associated 20% sales tax. 20% sales tax. It means that our government charge from our customer, and then the government requires to collect tax for them. We assume that our customer paid us immediately cash 20,000 and cost of good or inventory 80,000. So what is journal entry for retention? So the first time we should calculate total amount that we will collect from our customer. 100,000 multiplied by 1.2 because amount exclude tax. So we need calculate amount including tax. 120,000, and then debit cash we got from customer how much? 100, no, 20,000, and remaining as account receivable. Account receivable means that we use that account for customer not pay us cash. $10,000, and credit sale our revenue how much? Yeah, 100,000, and credit sale tax payable how much? We can calculate 100 multiplied by 20% equal to 20,000, and credit inventory cost of inventory how much? 80,000. Yeah, and the last one cost of goods sold. Cost of goods is spent 80,000. We know that cost of goods sold with inventory, yeah, and cash account receivable with sale and sales tax payable. Thank you for watching.